7,000 po yan, Mr. Chair. Na halimbawa may operation yan, nanlaban, may paltik yung nanlaban, pero yung mga pulis po, yung kanilang ginamit, dapat po ay nakarik yan. O meron din tayong report. Hindi po ba? So para makita rin natin.
Confiscated, di ba?
Yes, confiscated. Dahil, di ba sinasabi ng batas, hindi lang po yung baril ng nanlaban. At yung mga evidences nung nandiyan dito. So tanong ko po sa PNP, na-preserve din po ba yung mga ganong mga evidences? Para makita natin, Mr. Chair, kung ano yung tumama anong bullet na magkaroon ng matching, Mr. Chair.
Normally, all encounters, armed confrontation, are placed in scene of crime operations procedures. So it has all the SOCO report, and therefore all evidences are in custody of the SOCO, and normally it is being prepared and being readied for if required by the court. So we all the presumptions that these are covered by reports, Your Honor.
Congresswoman Castro first. Sige,
Mr.
make-
Chair, parang may mali doon. 'Di ba? Kasi ng laban. So ginamit ng pulis para ma-apprehend.
make-
Mr. Chair, parang may mali doon.